Struggling with weak legs? The right foods can help you walk stronger and feel steadier, especially as you age. 1. Spinach, packed with magnesium and potassium for muscle function. 2. Eggs, high-quality protein to repair and build leg muscles. 3. Salmon, omega-3 second reduce inflammation and improve joint flexibility. 4. Greek yogurt, calcium, plus protein combo for strong bones and muscles. 5. Sweet potatoes, complex carbs that give lasting energy for walking and balance. 6. Bananas, potassium prevents cramps and supports muscle recovery. 7. Almonds, healthy fats and vitamin E for better blood flow to the legs. Add these foods to your daily meals and keep your legs strong for years to come. Save this video and share it with a loved one who needs stronger legs.